Good morning. I am Coimbatore, Tirumular Siddharpeetham Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am going to explain the relation between third eye and the Antarvatvam. Many people are confusing between third eye and Ajna Chakra. Actually, Ajna Chakra is not third eye. Ajna Adhara, it is one of the 6 Adharas. It is present in the Sushumna Nadi, which is a central Nadi. This is the central Nadi of the 96 energy channels. Within this Nadi is Chitrani Nadi, within that is Vajra Nadi, within Vajra Nadi is Brahma Nadi. In Brahma Nadi, these Adharas are there. So the Adharas have to be activated. When the Adharas are activated, energy circulates around them. Now it is chakra. But this is different. Third eye is different from Ajna Adhara, Ajna Chakra, and it is a gland. So the Adhara and Chakra are present in your astral body, that in your Sushumna Nadi. That is running inside your spine. But this is a gland present in the midbrain. So many yogis, even great yoga, big yoga teachers are confusing between this gland and this Adhara and Chakra. Actually speaking, this gland should be activated. For activating this gland, the astral Panchabhuta energy, cosmic energy should be directed to midbrain. Then only this gland will be activated. This gland is a Mekshi gland. This is a Shiva Pidam. This gives you intuition. This is the third eye. But for opening this third eye, Ajna Chakra is actually a block. It is a shield. And it does not allow anybody to open it. It can be opened only by rishis. Because intuition means the knowledge received beyond the perception of 5 senses. If you open the Ajna, activate this third eye, then intuition will come. Intuition is beyond time, space, and causation. So, the ordinary man cannot go it directly. For that sealing, this is called Rudra Granthi. So, everybody cannot go and activate Ajna Chakra. He has to clear the Granthi. Granthi means block. So, Ajna Chakra is not the third eye. Third eye is the pineal gland, and it is a gateway. If you open up this gate, first gate, this is strongly closed. This is the junction box of 10 Nadi channels. 10 Nadi channels means out of 96 Nadi channels, 10 Nadi channels are very important with regard to yoga. They are Ida, Pingala, Susumna, Singuvai, Sangini, Guru, Hatti, Alambusa, Purushan, Gandhari. They are not only 10 nadis, further nadis are there. There are 2 more. If you add this Paisini and Viswadhara, 12 Varma nadis. And these Varuni nadi and Saraswati, they interconnect these nadis. Likewise, nadi channels, names and the energy meridians are going on. These are the main 10 channels. They are connected with this Ajna. This is the junction box. If you open up this Nadi, this Ajna Chakra, then energy will flow in all these 10 Nadis, then yogic realization will be possible. As part of it, if you want to activate this pineal gland, that is third eye, you have to direct energy inward. The pineal gland is present 3.5 inches inside the Ajna Chakra. For sending the energy inside and outside, there is one important Nadi. That is Sura Nadi. These records are available in Varma records. Actually, higher knowledge regarding yoga are available in Varma. So this Varma Nadi, the secret is there. There are how to activate, which Nadi to activate, with Vayu to activate, these particulars are available. I am giving practical training. When you open up this Ura Nadi, energy will flow inside as well as outside. If the energy flows inside, then pineal gland will be activated. Intuitive power will develop. And if it is directed outward, then Nokuvarma will come up. People are now confusing between Nokuvarma and third eye activation. Third eye activation is different and Nokuvarma is different. If the energy goes inward, then only this pineal gland will be open to third eye. But where is that? Before, when you open the Ajna chakra, then there is another gate called Manas chakra. Manas chakra is having 6 petals. One petal is connected to Ajna chakra, 5 other petals are connected to 5 Jnanendriyas, which are in turn connected with the 5 Tanmatras, and the 5 Tanmatras connected to the 5 Nadaras, Visuddhi, this Anahata, Manipuraha, Swadhisthana and Mooladhara. Mooladhara connected to nose, Swadhisthana tongue, Manipura connected to eyes, Anahata Sparsha skin, and Visuddhi ear. So the energy is flowing outward through mind. You have to revert the energy flow and make it to flow inward. Then only this energy will be directed to pineal gland. So to direct the Manas chakra, you have to use your buddhi and ahangara, and you have to revert the energy, send the energy back upward, and then it will be deposited in Siddham, and Siddha energy will be directed to this pineal gland. Then only pineal gland will be activated. That is the real third eye. So real third eye is not associated with the Ajna chakra. It is actually connected to the midbrain. Midbrain is if you want to associate any Adhara, then this is Antarpatma. Antarpatma is the Adhara that can be associated with this pineal gland. What is Antarpatma? The Sahasrara contains 1,000 petals. This is available in all records. But in Siddha records, the Sahasrara contains 1,020 petals. 1,000 normal 1,000 plus 8 Urtva Padma and 12 Andhar Padma. This Andhar Padma is present in the midbrain. These 12 petals are actually the 12 Devis, which are representing the 12 Surya Kalas. They are shining like Surya Prabha, and their 12 petals are represented by the Parivara Devada. So if you activate, send the energy to that, then only you can activate this. The 12 petals are represented by Bindu, Arthachandran, Nadam, Nadantam, Rohini, Shakti, Vyabhiga, Kamala, Unmani, Hiriyam, likewise. So when the energy goes and activates is Paradevada, after that only your energy will go inside the Padma, where Lalita Parameswari Pidam is there, which can be equated with the pituitary gland. After that only the energy will be directed to pineal gland. Then only it will be opened. So there are a lot of procedures how to activate this Ajna chakra, then how to direct the energy to Manas chakra. This Pratyahara training is needed for controlling these 5 senses. After that the energy goes to Surya Kala, and there are techniques to contain this activate the Surya Kalas. Then only the energy will be taken to pineal gland. Then only intuition or third eye will open. So here this Ajna chakra is third eye is a statement, a wrong statement propagated by even leading yoga teachers. What I say are available in Shaktipat Yoga records as well in the Shiva Agama records. And the names and everything is available. On this basis, I am giving practical training. Those who are need, contact me. Thank you.